A money order is a paper document used to make a secure payment. It acts like a guaranteed check for people without bank accounts. Unlike a personal check, the money for a money order is paid up front. This makes them much safer for the person receiving the payment. Most providers cap single money orders at $1,000. If you need to pay more, you simply purchase additional orders. People use these when a seller won't accept personal checks or when they want to avoid carrying large amounts of physical cash. The biggest difference is that checks rely on your bank balance, while money orders are pre-funded, meaning they cannot bounce due to insufficient funds. You will usually pay a small processing fee. Costs vary depending on where you purchase the order, such as a grocery store or post office. Always keep your receipt. That paper is the only way to track the payment or request a refund if the order goes missing. Money orders are a reliable tool for secure payments. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more personal finance basics.